Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wassalli wa salli ala Muhammad. Hasbunallah wa ni'mal wakil wa ni'mal maula wa ni'mal nasir. La haula wa la quwata illa billahil aliyil azim. Amma ba'du. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. This one the lecture note of ME class online courses during the COVID-19 pandemic. The course of design of solid waste management. The lecture note about the TPS 3R, the community-based recycle facilities. Hopefully all of the student is keep in health condition and have the spirit morning, the high spirit during the study at home. For the regulation that used in this course or in the solid waste management, actually the many of regulation that mentioned in this slide. And also in this course is follow the regulation of the Government Act number 18 2012 that for the solid waste collection and solid waste treatment. The solid waste collection actually is compulsory for the manageable area like the household area, commercial area, industry, and the specific area also the general facility, social facility, and also the other facility like maybe the military facility. And also the collecting should be conducted by the city government or resident government. While for the manager or the community facility should provide the TPS and also TPS 3R. The MRF, the material recycle facility, especially for the specific area. TPS 3R are actually only the specific area, not the city center area, MRF. And also the collecting that should be facilitate the spirit solid waste. And the TPS and or the TPS are actually the transportation and the MRF for the specific area, the small area. Actually, there are many regulations. That one of them is the regulation based on the PP or Government Act number 18 for 2012. The first one is the area and the capacity is based on the requirement, and the accessibility is very easy to access by the community especially, and also is not pollute the surrounding environment. And this one should be have the specific schedule for the collecting and transport. The other regulation will be regulated by the ministry that PUBR, the Ministry of Housing and Public Work. For the treatment, solid waste treatment can be for the compaction, composting, and the recycle in terms of the material and energy. The treatment can be held by the community or individual in the source, also the manager or the area, specific area, for example, for the perumahan, the household area, or the commercial area, and also for the city government or resident government. For the manager of the area is compulsory. This one is different with the individual. The manager of the specific area is compulsory to provide the TPS3R facility. While for the city government or resident should be provide, but this one not compulsory. They not say compulsory, but this one is compulsory. This one not say the compulsory. Should provide the TPS3R, the intermediate transportation and or the solid waste landfill, and also the city MRI. This one, the review of the transportation. The transportation of solid waste actually is before transported, this temporary storage only 1 day maximum. Before transported to the MRF, treatment facility, or in the final disposal. This one, the regulation, the transfer area should be have the maximum area of 200 meter square, and this one should be have RAM and the container. Actually, for the current regulation, the TPS is not allowed to build the permanent container, should be non-permanent. Yeah. And also is prohibited to store the solid waste more than 24 hours. So daily should be transferred to the final disposal or to the MRF. And also the traffic and aesthetic environment should be kept and also keep clean after the solid waste is transferred to the final disposal. While for TPS3R, that one actually is the specific treatment area or the small treatment area, small MRF, that the principle should be implemented is reduce, recycle, and reuse. Yeah, reduce, reuse, and recycle. The place to implement the several activities actually, for example, the collecting and transfer, like TPS. This one should be have separation process, reuse, recycle, and treatment in district or specific area scale. The small scale area only is different with the TPST. The technical criteria can be seen in the PowerPoint. Actually, the minimum area is 200 meter square. The permanent residue container is prohibited, is not allowed, actually. And the covered area, same with TPS. The covered area is less than or equal with 1 kilometer. The TPS3R should be have the solid waste separation area, composting, storage facility, and buffer zone. And this one also same with the TPS, don't disturb the environmental, aesthetic, and also the traffic problem. For TPS3R is this one very specific actually compared with different with the TPST. Actually, the TPS3R should has the community participation for solid waste reduction inspiration. This one is quite different with TPST. TPST is not compulsory to have the community participation. This one, the criteria of TPS3R, actually the TPS3R is can be served about 2,000 houses, yeah, actually around one district, and the area, the maximum area is around 1,000 meter square, While for the hamlet area, the RW, 200 houses, around 200 houses, is required about 200 until 500 meters square. The area requirement is actually depend on the aspiration in the source and based on community aspiration. The large area actually without solid waste aspiration in the source, while the about 500, half of them is actually half of the spirit solid waste in the source, solid waste generator. While for the around 200, this one based on the regulation actually is not consistent, yeah. Actually should be more than 200, but this one the very ideal condition of the community that already 80% community already spread the solid waste in the source, yeah. So actually the important things of the area, the most important, the area requirement for TPS3R actually depend on the solid waste separation. This one will be also the most important in the TPS3R area requirement actually depend on the area of separation solid waste. Remember, the MRR, the material recovery facility, or in terms of TPS3R, actually should include unloading area for handcart or collection vehicle, the separation area. This one will require the largest area of TPS3R. Solid waste trading, composting, maybe if they provide composting. Container for residue, this one compulsory because many residue that may be generated in the separation area. Recycle or separation material area, also the solid waste washing area. The facility can be additional for the environmental protection, for drainage channel, clean water, electrical, plantation barrier or buffer area, warehouse or storage area for recycled material, and compost. Also the digester actually the optional. We will discuss later specific for the digester and compost maybe also in MRF, the TPSD. We review for the container in TPS3R that must be at least 5 containers that should be provided. The first one, actually the rapid degradable solid waste. The second one, the reusable waste. The third one, the recycle waste. The fourth one, the household hazardous waste. This one specific for household. Hazardous waste. And the other, the last one, of course, the residue, the other waste. The container color is gray. The recycle process actually, at least TPS3R should be recycle or spread paper, plastics, and metal waste which have the high value. So this one actually the composting is optional. The 3 of solid waste components is compulsory to spread and recycle in the TPS3R. To obtain the better recycle waste, of course, separation process should be conducted in the solid waste generator in the household, yeah, household. Or in the maybe the commercial area itself. Yeah. The distribution of the selling of recycled waste is conducted through the either solid waste collector atau biasa disebut lapak, or direct to sell to the industries. Household service, for example, especially for battery and lamp, is collected only and should be or must be processed based on the regulation. It's not allowed to process the hazardous waste in TPS3A. This one, the example of the comparison of solid waste composition by the income. Indonesia currently, this year, is already moved to the upper middle income country, not lower middle income country anymore. So, in this figure, we can look actually, you can look for the first one, or of course, the organic. The organic, more modern country, more higher income country, the organic is decreased. And the high income country, the organic decreased significantly. While for the other one is actually slightly decreased. After that, you can look the plastic. The plastic, this one 8%, 12%, this one 11%, while for the high income country, the plastic remain 11%. This one is very good research from the World Bank. Include in Indonesia is the plastic actually more than 11%. So is Indonesia actually community is easy to use plastic. Yeah, it's already show the data from the World Bank from 2011. This one actually the average recycle rate for the 39 cities based on the income level. So when you design the solid waste TPS3R, actually remember this one. Don't make ideal condition. Some students sometimes have mistake due to of the recovery factor. They make the ideal recovery factor from the Jovanopoulos book. Remember, Jovanopoulos book is the old book, yeah, 1993 book. Also, the Jovanopoulos is US literature. Remember, Indonesia is the upper middle income country currently from this year, yeah, from this year 2020 is established as the upper middle income country. So actually it's not more than 40%, no more. Sometimes below, the average, the data below 20%. Yeah. Remember, this phenomena is very good data. the data is like this. Why? Because the community still rapid growing in the industry. It's a lot of the high consumable community. That's why they reduce the percentage of recycle rate, because they just step to the high income. A lot of consume the consumable, so it's produce a lot of waste, but the habit still in the low middle. While in the low middle, why is very high? Due to they will to recycle due to of the high price of waste. So actually they increase slightly and then decrease also slightly. This one should be remembered because this one very good data from UNEP from 2015 data. This one, the typical distribution of solid waste component from the Jobanopoulos 1993. We can look, the composition is quite same with the previous data that I already mentioned. This one, the source of US EPA book that mentioned in the new Jobanopoulos literature that mentioned in US until about 1999, the recycle only 22, while the compost is 5.7, while the total recovery only less than 30%. This one US. The other one is go to the landfill. Remember, when you plan solid waste in Indonesia, keep around 30 is actually very hard to be achieved. This one will be used for your TPS3R or in the TPST. This one, the good comparison from the new literature that actually adapted from the Jobanopoulos 1993, but already give many correction actually. This one, the percentage of the source-spirited recycled material in the point of collection, the transfer station that separate the solid waste. Actually, this one, the baseline or the recharger for the TPS3R. While for this one, the recycle for MRR is good for the recharger. For in Indonesia, is this one for TPST. So remember, the criteria or the baseline or the literature that can be used for the TPS3R and the TPST. You can look the number of recovery factor. In the TPS3R and the MRF or TPST, you should make the layout and also you should make the mass balance. We will discuss this one later. And also this one, the example of the TPS3R or the MRF facility layout. While of this one, the introduction of the TPS3R design actually, this one, the typical density of the source-spirited material. from the piling process. This one that you should consider actually some, for example, for paper, the compaction factor actually 2. So the density increase twice. And then remember, for glass, the crust, actually not pile the glass, because the glass cannot be piled. They should be crushed. While for aluminum can, but Indonesia is not many of aluminum can, because Indonesia people like to use the plastic, PET plastic actually, no can for the drinking soda water maybe, not many. For can is 10 times, while this one for Indonesia is like to use the PET especially, or HDPE. The density is also can be increased around 10 times. This one should be considered when you design the TPS3R or the TPST, that solid waste is the recycle waste. Okay, thank you. That's all for the video of the introduction of TPS3R. Thank you. If you have a question, maybe you can discuss through the in the class, online class, maybe WhatsApp, or you can comment and give the question. I will try to answer based on your question. Thank you. Keep health, keep high spirit during the COVID-19 pandemic. Remember to wash your hands frequently and wear mask when you go outside. If you get sick, maybe fever, and maybe when you meet someone else that not in your home family, remember to wear mask. Always wear mask. Keep health. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.